very struck by what the officials said about the strategy for Gipuzkoa, that I thought it was a very impressive strategy, but it was very ambitious. And on the other hand, I didn't think the capacity and the resources were there to be equal to the challenge. So that I thought there was a big disconnect between a great ambition on the one hand, and secondly, the modesty of the resources, both financial and personnel. So that was a big challenge. And I thought in terms of the project, Gipuzkoa could learn many of the lessons from small firm economies around the world. And two of the big lessons, I think, from those small firm economies is number one, that firms learn best from other firms. And secondly, that the problem isn't being small, the real problem is being lonely, where firms are not connected to a network or an ecosystem. I think that Gipuzkoa experience, and especially its strategy, is very relevant to the debates in Europe about multi-level governance, because the experience in Gipuzkoa shows that the officials recognize the importance of collaboration, that Gipuzkoa is too small to do all this on its own, therefore it needs to collaborate with its partners in Gipuzkoa, business partners, and it needs to collaborate with other levels of government, particularly the Basque government, for example, but also collaborating within Europe in terms of the European level. So all those different levels of governance, there needs to be vertical collaboration as well as horizontal collaboration. And I think Gipuzkoa can become a test bed or a living laboratory for how a small firm region deals with these challenges.